if you want. Awesome.
We're still on a pretty gnarly trail, so there's a lot of body roll and aggressive movements, but I mean overall, like, not bad. That was pretty chill. Oh my god, we just bombed out. How about these roots? ABS active. I wasn't even on the brakes. Jesus Christ, that was crazy.
Kill him. Don't become impatient. Got some stuff stuck down here.
Oh baby. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that.
Get mud smashed on me, right?
No. Is it pumping? Oh, it's getting tight. This is just to make sure I don't rub. I know she's an off-roader, but that's what my favorite. It doesn't feel bad, honestly. It just feels like, I don't know. It feels like it's a little out of its element. It's like a sprinter that's like healing, but not quite healed, and he can do like half of what he used to. That's kind of what this truck feels like. These rims on it, and these low-profile tires, pretty terrible. Ooh, this is, I mean, it's not bad. Like, that's pretty nice. Oh, baby. Okay, we're stopped in this pretty steep and sandy hill, and I'm in two-wheel drive. And I'm gonna start, and we're gonna see if I get any wheel spin. And I'm gonna turn traction control off, and we're gonna see what happens. Pretty good, honestly. How did that guy get out here? Oh my god. I get how the 4Runner got here. I don't get how that freaking Kia Forte got here, whatever the hell that is. Oh boy, window up. 4-wheel drive shift in progress. Wow, this is good. Oh, look at that root. Oh. No, honestly, not bad. Oh, baby.